I recorded this up in Madras, Oregon on this normal speed. I dropped my welding glass in front of, I had it in front of the camera and I dropped it. Check out all these transits I got. Transits everywhere, man. I'm gonna slow it down here. And then check out all these transits, man. Hundreds of them. What they are, I don't know, man. But there's something's transiting. And very fast. Some are slow. Different speeds. There's some on the top left and bottom right, through the middle. They're everywhere. Take a look. And then I put the lens filter back over it. Alright, slow it down to 10% speed. Here we go. They start immediately right now. Transit, 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 everywhere. Tons of transits. I don't know. I can't count them all. There's probably 100 or so. And it's a very short clip. And to get that many transits in a short clip like that is an interesting anomaly. So they just keep coming. Transit, transit, doubles, triples, little ones, big ones. I'm gonna turn to a negative, slow it down 25%. Let's check it out. Alright, this is where you see a lot of transits right here. They're everywhere, man. What's transiting, man? What is that? Just keep coming, man. Fascinating. It was all an accident with my welding glass falling off. And I caught that. Pretty cool, man. Sometimes accidents get some good results, man. There you go. Thanks for watching, man. Let me know what you think.